Computapes Video 3, Customizing the Ribbon. Microsoft Word comes with tabs, groups, and commands that are already there after you install the program. We call these the default tabs and the default groups and commands. You can make your own tab or rename a main menu tab. But if you make a new tab, you should know that you must make at least one group in the new tab. Notice the Home tab is currently selected and the groups Clipboard, Font, and Paragraph are showing in our video. The main menu choices to open the window that allows you to customize the ribbon is File, Options, and then in the Word Options window, click Customize the Ribbon. You will notice that because the Home main menu tab was chosen at the moment we opened the Options window, that the Home tab is selected here in the Options window. And you'll notice that since the Home tab is selected in the section of Main Tabs, you have the groups Clipboard, Font, Paragraph, and Styles reflecting what you have here in the Home tab: Clipboard, Font, Paragraph, etc. Notice that all the other main tabs, such as Insert, Page Layout, References, and so on, are here in the same order as they are the main menu. If you wish to collapse the Home tab and see what's behind the groups in the other tabs, you can click the minus sign, and as it pulls closed, it becomes a plus sign. If, for example, you wanted to see what groups were in the Page Layout tab, you would click the plus sign next to the Page Layout tab, and you would see these groups listed, the same groups that were listed across the ribbon when you clicked the Page Layout from the main menu. You can collapse that as well. Now let us imagine we are going to add a new tab between Mailings and Review. The steps are as follows. First, click on the tab before or above the position you want the new tab to appear. Then, at the bottom of the Options window, click the New Tab button, and you'll notice both a new tab and a new group appear. This is because you must add at least one group when you add a tab. Then simply rename them by selecting them and choosing the Rename button, and you have customized the ribbon. I wish to add a tab named Marks Tab and put in it two groups, Marks First Group and Marks Second Group. I want this tab to be after the Mailings tab, but before the Review tab. Therefore, I click on the Mailings tab and I click New Tab. Now notice, not only did a new tab appear, but a new group appeared. Now we will rename them. Click on the new tab and click Rename and type in Marks Tab and click OK, and that becomes the name. Now click on the new group and click Rename and type in Marks First Group. Click OK. What if we wish to insert a second group? Well, when the tab is selected, choose New Group. And of course the new group gets added here. And then of course we click Rename, and we can just type Second Group. And I can click OK. Now when I click the final OK at the bottom of the Word Options window, those tabs and those groups will have been added to the main menu and the ribbon. Click OK. Take a look at our new ribbon. We have all the default tabs that were there before, and right in the correct position, the position we placed it in, we have Marks Tab and we have these groups. Notice these groups currently do not have any commands in them, but I'm going to put into Marks Second Group the autocorrect command. Once again, click File, Options, Customize Ribbon, and notice on the right are the tabs, and on the left are all the commands in Microsoft Word. By default, only the popular ones are listed here, but you can choose all commands And this will change to a list of every single function and feature within Microsoft Word. Number 1, we want to put the command that we're interested in right here in Mark's tab in the group called Second Group. So that must be selected before, I repeat, before we choose the command from the left. Scroll down to find the command that you want. In this case, we want the autocorrect command, and here it is. Click right on it, and notice the icon that represents it and the word. When you click on it, the Add button becomes available, and notice the Second Group in Mark's tab is selected at the minute that the autocorrect is selected. Click the Add button, and there it is. Now, when I click OK on the bottom of the window, I now notice the autocorrect command has been added to the Second Group in Mark's tab. If I click on it, hooray, the autocorrect window opens up. And that's how you do it.